Welcome to Coins ZF. Today, we are diving into one of the most fascinating and extraordinary stories in the world of numismatics. The 5-cent euro coin from 2004, with a jaw-dropping value of $599.7 million. Yes, you heard that right. Nearly $600 million for a coin that most of us might have just tossed in our pockets. How did it happen? Stick with us for the next 17 minutes as we uncover the incredible value, the myths, and the history behind this coin. Let's start with the basics. The 5-cent euro coin, as part of the euro currency series, was introduced in 2002. The D mark on the 2004 coin signifies that it was minted in Germany. This coin, along with the other denominations, carries a lot of history, representing the coming together of many European countries into one unified currency. On the front of the coin, you can find a map of Europe, and on the back, the coin's value and the name of the issuing country. Pretty standard stuff for any coin collector. But what makes the 2004 D 5-cent euro coin stand out, and why is it being valued at such a remarkable figure? In 2004. This coin wasn't really all that special to the average person. However, over time, a rumor began circulating in numismatic circles. According to the legend, a small batch of 5-cent euro coins from 2004 that had been minted with a mistake, a rare error that only a handful of coins had, were sold at auction, fetching an insane price. This led to the iconic coin being tied to a staggering value of $599.70 million. So what happened? Well, we'll dive deeper into that, but before we get there, let's understand the history of this mistake coin. Coin collectors know that minting errors can make a coin incredibly valuable. For the 2004 D 5-cent euro coin, the mistake was subtle but significant. This error occurred during the minting process and resulted in an unusual variation that made it stand out from other 5-cent euro coins. It's believed that only one or two of these error coins were ever made, and they remained hidden for several years. But what exactly was the error? Some sources claim the coin had a misaligned die, while others point to a specific design flaw that didn't meet the usual high standards of the European Central Bank's coin designs. This error made the coin extremely rare, and because of its scarcity, the price soared when it finally came to light. In the early 2010s, one of these coins surfaced at a major numismatic auction in Europe. The bidding war that ensued was nothing short of spectacular, and it quickly surpassed even the most extravagant expectations. What started as an expected bid of a few thousand euros turned into a frenzy, with bidders from around the world pushing the price higher and higher. And eventually, after what seemed like hours of bidding, the coin was sold for the mind-blowing amount of $599.70 million. But how did this auction come to pass? How did the coin get from the minting press to the auction house? Let's go back a few steps and find out. Before coins like this can be sold for a high value, they need to go through a rigorous authentication process. For this coin, a team of expert numismatists, historians, and even the European Central Bank verified its rarity. The coin's authenticity was confirmed through advanced imaging technologies, making sure that it wasn't a fake or modern reproduction. Interestingly, the value of this coin skyrocketed because of its historical error, but its journey to being considered real wasn't straightforward. Many fakes were attempted, but only the genuine pieces passed through the hands of experts. The discovery of such an error coin had a profound impact on the numismatic community and even the financial world. Not only did this story captivate collectors and historians, but it also sparked debates about how mistakes in currency production could influence the economy of an entire region. For collectors, This coin represents a symbol of rare opportunity, a once-in-a-lifetime find. But for others, it's a reminder of how even small mistakes in the minting process can lead to monumental financial rewards. As for the future of the 2004D 5-cent euro coin, its price might continue to fluctuate, but its place in history is already cemented. The combination of rarity, error, and an iconic auction has turned it into a symbol of numismatic legend. If you happen to own one, congratulations. You might hold one of the most valuable coins in the world. While it's unlikely that we'll see another coin like this anytime soon, the world of coin collecting continues to evolve. Who knows what other treasures are waiting to be discovered in the vaults of history? That wraps up our journey into the incredible story of the 5-cent euro coin from 2004D, valued at $599.7 million. Whether you're a seasoned coin collector or just someone who's fascinated by extraordinary stories like this, there's no denying the allure of rare coins and the incredible value they can hold. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to CoinZF for more fascinating tales from the world of numismatics. Have you ever come across a rare coin? Share your story in the comments below. Until next time, happy collecting. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and follow us on social media for more coin-related content. See you in the next episode of CoinZF.